AFS Rediwall is a lightweight PVC permanent formwork system. It's a time-saving alternative to conventional masonry and blockwork and is perfect for applications such as basements, columns, blade and party walls, lift or stair cores through to retention tanks and retaining walls. Builders prefer Rediwall because it enables easier materials handling and quicker floor cycles. In fact, it can save days when compared to conventional masonry and blockwork. Blockwork, on the other hand, is one of the slowest, time-consuming and archaic wet trade construction methods within the building industry. So much so that the blocklaying trade is in decline and experiencing a shortage of skilled tradesmen. Rediwall makes a big claim, so let's put it to the test. Today, we're going to get 2 crews to each build a 5 metre by 2.5 metre wall. One using Rediwall 200mm and the other with traditional blockwork utilising 200mm blocks. Let's see how Rediwall stacks up against traditional blockwork. With blockwork, first you need to unpack the blocks. Then you mix the mortar. You must stand profiles at each end of the proposed wall. Profiles are steel posts that you run a string line off to ensure the wall is straight. You lay a bed of mortar. Then you lay blocks on mortar over starter bars. First side by side, then row by row. Finally, reinforcement is placed into every second row of blockwork. With Rediwall, lay your Rediwall 200 bottom floor track over your starter bars. Then install the first Rediwall 200 panel onto the floor track. Brace the first panel, then plumb and level the wall. The second panel is then clipped into the first panel. Brace the panel, then plumb and level the wall. This straightforward process is repeated to 5 metres. Next, the wailer is screwed into the wall, then the final bracing is screwed onto the wailer. After this, install the horizontal reinforcement bars. Install the 9mm compressed fibre cement sheet as end caps. Install the vertical reinforcement bars. Then, core fill the wall with concrete using the boom pump off the truck. Finally, trowel off the top for a smooth finish. Now that both the Rediwall and blockwork walls have been finished, let's take a closer look. With Rediwall, the construction time was very fast. It only took 1 hour and 16 minutes, and that includes core filling of the wall. The panels are lightweight. They also simply snap together, which makes it easy to handle. No craneage was required. Placement of reinforcement is simple and its installation is really quick. There is significantly less waste and mess compared to blockwork. Rediwall is AS 3600 compliant with water, heat and smoke certification. And what I like the most, the end result is a clean, even finish. Now, let's take a look at the blockwork wall. The construction time was extremely slow. It took 2 hours and 53 minutes, and that's without core filling of the wall. It's a very laborious process. The blocks are heavy and difficult to handle. Reinforcement placement is cumbersome. It's very messy. And the end result? Unfortunately, it's an unrefined raw finish. For the same size wall and the same conditions, the Rediwall installation took only 1 hour and 16 minutes. And that's with core filling completed. Compare this to blockwork, which took 2 hours and 53 minutes, and that's without core filling. We put AFS Rediwall to the test, and we've proven that Rediwall is fast to install. In fact, it is more than 2 times faster than conventional blockwork. As a result, your on-site costs are dramatically reduced, and the project could be completed ahead of schedule. Now that's impressive.